In this video, we will learn how to create a container registry in Microsoft Azure. For those of you who don't know what is a container registry like Azure Container Registry is basically a private registry for hosting container images. Using the container registry, you can store Docker formatted images for all your container deployments. And it integrates very well with the Azure Container Service, and it all including Docker Swarm and Kubernetes. So to start with, so we will, in this video, it's focused on how to create a container registry and push Docker images, and everything will be done via command line. Nothing will be done from the portal. So here we're going to set our resource group and our container registry name. Everything in Azure is tied to resource group. So we will use a command, basically azure ACR. So this command is used to create a container registry. Basically, you are creating your using Azure CLI and using create command, and you are specifying on which resource group to create a container registry, and you're taking the basic subscription, which includes 10 GB. And when you say an admin enable true, you have to use username and password to download or upload images. And then the next step is to just verify whether already it's been created, but just to verify in like if you have already created, just to verify whether you have an existing container registry, you can see it's been created in a resource group and the location is North Europe and the subscription is basic and the login server is this one. And just for out of curiosity, if you want to find out resource group, you can use the following command. So basically you can only just get the login server from this. And also there's a command to find out credentials. So and there's a specific command that you can use to just get a username, and also a command to get a password. Basically, whenever you create a container registry, Azure will automatically assign two passwords and a single username. So we will set up a user name and password via export. So we have all those commands will be part of our GitHub. So you can refer to those commands using our GitHub, and also you can so now when we have created a container registry, now we have to log in. So we will use Azure ACR login command, and we will specify the username and the password. And of course, if you have multiple container registry, you can specify the name. If you don't have it, by default, it's going to take one. So you see, login has been successful. And right now there is no image on that one. So we will just now push an image. So let's see whether I have. Uh-huh. So the reason why it's failing, because let's say when you query a username, it gives you in quote. So basically our export is not working, but that's no problem. We will manually pass on. Yeah, now the login is successful. Now we can push our image to that registry. So it will take some time to push an image, and then we can list what images we have in a specific registry that we have created. To list, you can see use this command AZACR repository list, and now to find a specific tag, because in our images we have tagged it as 1.8, so we can use like ACR repository so tags. So now you can see the image name and its tag. That's it for this video, and follow us on YouTube and do and all those commands are published on our GitHub.